Every year, it takes 1 million plastic bottles and 12 million pounds of CO2 from 100,000 trucks to ship 800 million gallons of water and millions of everyday products. So we can shower 4 billion times and do 6 billion loads of laundry. Traveling 73 million miles to bring 800 million gallons to our stores and homes where we already have water. It takes rethinking everything, with 10 years of research and over 30 patents. It takes a thin 2-inch swatch. It takes removing all the unnecessary ingredients, eliminating 100% of the water, reducing 80% of the weight, and giving you 70% more space in biodegradable bamboo packaging. Spun layer by layer that lathers and transforms when you introduce it to water. As effective as heavy water-based products, but it only takes one little swatch to wash all of this, and these, this, and this. Simple, powerful clean for your home and body. Take on a world of waste with DS3. 80% less weight, 70% less space, and 75% less emissions. DS3. Enlighten Clean. Enlighten your personal care and laundry today. Support our Indiegogo launch, and together we begin making a difference.
This is Aumi. Aumi is a smart rechargeable nightlight that you can control with your phone or tablet. It's the only smart nightlight that offers 16 million color options, precise light dimming, custom programmable timers, and a motion-activated sensor. Oh, did we mention it's portable? Aumi has a safe rechargeable battery that lasts up to 8 hours. Finally, a modern nightlight that looks great and offers functionality that you actually want. Aumi is way more than just a nightlight.
100% of the water, reducing 80% of the weight, and giving you 70% more space in biodegradable bamboo packaging. Spun layer by layer that lathers and transforms when you introduce it to water. As effective as heavy water-based products, but it only takes one little swatch to wash all of this, and these, 100% of the water, reducing 80% of the weight, and giving you 70% more space in biodegradable bamboo packaging. Spun layer by layer that lathers and transforms when you introduce it to water. As effective as heavy water-based products, but it only takes one little swatch to wash all of this, and these, this, and this. Simple, powerful clean for your home and body. Take on a world of waste with DS3. 80% less weight, 70% less space, and 75% less emissions. DS3. Enlighten Clean. Enlighten your personal care and laundry today. Support our Indiegogo launch, and together we begin making a difference.
Experience deserves better. It deserves bigger. For a new dimension in portable projection, GoSho. Think bigger.
Introducing the VEIU Doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell. The idea is simple. Whenever motion is detected on your doorstep, our invention will notify your phone and give you a live video feed or image of your visitor through the wide-angle 180-degree HD lens.
Oh, hey man.
How's it going?
Come on in, the party's just getting started in the backyard.
Oh, cool. Sounds good.
See you here.
You can see who's at your door from anywhere. It's not just about convenience, but also protecting your home and family.
Hey, what do you guys think you're doing?
And you have a recorded video or snapshot to give to the police. You can also chat with people at your door while you're away from home.
Hello?
Hi, I've got a package for Debbie.
I'm not home right now. Could you leave it on the porch?
Alright, sounds good. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Your home Wi-Fi, making it possible to receive the live video feed through the Equus app from wherever you are. Unlike home security systems, the VEIU doorbell has no monthly fee and operates with a rechargeable battery. Whether you like entertaining, want more safety for your family, are away from home, or just want to see who's on your doorstep, the VEIU doorbell is a life-changing solution. With your support, together we can make our product come alive. We can put the VEIU doorbell into full-scale production and deliver it to your door soon. The VEIU doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell, at your fingertips.
Introducing VEIU, the world's first smart clock with Amazon Alexa, which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. VEIU is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the VEIU. Just tap and say, "Set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day." To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip VEIU over and it will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from VEIU. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees.
When you're cooking, VEIU is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. VEIU can be a music player at your party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, world clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features have been added to VEIU. All we want is to make your life more simple.